Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our latest Facebook Live class project, or projects. I've called them the Dynamic Duo. It is a recipe or photo box and a planner or ring-bound photo book. So I've decorated mine in papers from the Let It Be collection, the 12 by 12 collection pack and the journaling cards. And yeah, it's a fun little set to make. Not overly complicated, but a great way to use up your papers. It can be decorated in any paper. And so let me take you through what we've got. Little recipe box. It's 6 3/4 wide by 5 inches tall. It's got a little hook lock on the front, metal feet at the bottom. And when it opens up, inside it's got a little ledge for your recipe cards if you want to turn it into a recipe box, or if you want to make it into a photo box, which is a great way of storing photos that you want to scrapbook or just photos that you want to keep in sections, in an order, in events, by month, by year. We all like to have pictures, don't we? So you can just pop your picture up on the ledge too, and yeah, it makes a nice little display. So it will hold lots and lots of photos or recipe cards, and you can put in as many dividers as you like. So in class number 1 we'll be going through how to assemble this lovely little box, and then it all closes down and shuts nice and easily. I've used the journaling cards on the dividers. You could use paper to decorate them however you like. I love this collection. Totally in love with it. So that is our little recipe come photo box. And then to go with that, there is a planner. So this is a ring bound cover binder. You can turn it into whatever you like, but I've sort of made mine as a planner for weekly meals. So I've got pockets in the inside of both covers, so you can put recipe cards in, notes, clippings out of magazines. I've added a little poly pocket. I've had to repunch the holes, but just a little zip-up pocket that I could put a pen and a ruler in. In the class you'll get the download to be able to print off the weekly meal planners, and it's an A4 sheet that you cut in two. I've laminated it so I can write on that and rub off each week. And then we've got 7 dividers, and in between those dividers you can put in recipes if you've got A5 recipes. I've just bought some A5 wallets to go in here, but you could quite easily just put your recipes straight in. Just use a standard hole punch to pop them in. And you also get the days of the week to download if you want to add those to tabs as well. So we'll be making the recipe or the planner, but also in the class, if you want to turn that into a really simple photo book, then I've come up with a number of dividers that you can add and then scrapbook on them, stick your photos straight onto them, whatever you fancy. And we'll be covering all of these in the class as well. So we've got a nice acetate pocket, and then just a flat divider. We've got a nice little fold-out pocket that can hold pictures in the deep pocket, pictures in the little pocket. And these all fit really nicely on the ring binder. Great room for a photo there on the front as well. Another flat page. You can put as many dividers in as you like. We've got an acetate divider. I know from one of the previous classes you love the acetate dividers. And then we've got a fabulous pocket page here that has got 2 pockets that you can pop things in on the page. They do up with paper clips, and then you've also got a place to tuck things at the side as well. So you can mix and match all of the inserts to suit whatever it is that you're making the project for, and yeah, have fun with all of those gorgeous papers that you love to craft with and maybe you've been saving. So that is the Jocasta photo come recipe box and planner come photo book. So if you'd like to join the class, do follow the link below. You'll find more information out about how our Facebook Live classes run, and you can book your place. If you're new to Facebook Live and my Facebook Live classes, we just use some basic supplies, so chipboard, card, and our signature black construction tape. Let's grab a roll to put the projects together. You get a full cutting guide to cut your chipboard pieces and all of your base papers and decorative papers, and then an introduction video to the project, a slideshow of the finished project, and a chipboard cutting guide. So those are pre-recorded videos that are in the group when you join. And then there are 2 live classes. One's 2 hours and one is 2 hours-ish, or until we've finished the project. And those classes can be watched after the event. So if you're not able to make the Facebook Live times, you can buy the class, book your place, and then go in and make the project at your leisure. So if you'd like to join the class, just follow the link below. I hope I've inspired you to be creative. Thanks very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel or click on that bell, and then you'll get notifications of new projects and products as they come out. Bye for now.